Welcome to Solidworks World 2019. I heard you are ready.
Good morning, Solidworks community. How you feeling?
We'll talk a lot about dreams today. This is where we come to get inspired. This is where possibility takes form.
You are passionate designers. You change the world in the business you do, and we have the responsibility to help you even do more.
I know you are interested into the future of design. We brought to you X-Design.
X-Design is reliable and useful platform.
With the 3D experience, you are going to become story makers. Solidworks is going to do to the world of ERP what we did with Solidworks for the world of design in the last 22 years.
10 years ago, we started Square. If you keep driving, you'll get to your destination, and when I got there, turns out very few people had also made it.
We wanted to inspire businesses and people to make a difference.
We are expanding the field of possibilities for you. Enjoy